أهلا وسهلا بالجميع. شكر وجودكم هون معنا لإطلاق الدبليو موتورز لايكن 2013. احتراما لوجود البريس انترناشونال وشركائنا نكفي البريس كونفرنس بالإنجليزي. Good afternoon. We are proud to be here today for the third edition of the 2013 International Guitar Motor Show. This motor show, growing every year, becoming one of the most anticipated events in the region. 6 months ago, W Motors was launched in Beirut, Lebanon, gathering thousands of people from around the globe to witness the birth of the first Arabian brand of high-performance luxury sports cars. We promised the world to see our first model in the following month. Ladies and gentlemen, we have kept our promise. Today, January 28, 2013, is a historic day for the automotive industry and the Arab world. The launch of the first Arabian hypercar, the W Motors Lykan. The Lykan is best known in the mythical legends as the most aggressive, powerful, and advanced species of bird that ever existed, capable to transform at any given time into the most beautiful and elegant at any if the need arises. At W Motors, we have created a new breed of Lykans, written with a K. The W Motors Lykan is our own vision and interpretation of the modern werewolf. The Lykan is just the most advanced, exclusive, and luxurious hypercar the world will ever see. After 6 years of research and development, along with our technical suppliers, industry leaders from around the world, such as Magna Steyr, Rufotogi, Studio Torino, and Carrosseria Asgatti, along with our legends in this industry, such as the Secoli family, Mr. Alfredo Stola and Mr. Tiziano Nova. The design team that worked with us since the beginning, believing in W Motors. Our design director, Mr. Anthony Giacarelli, our brand and communication director, Mr. Benoit Ferlon, our partners and representatives from around the region, hand in hand building this incredible company, Mr. Sari El Khalil and Mr. Sultan Abu Sultan. Together, sharing one vision. Together, giving birth to the first Arabian hypercar. Together, living this adventure. Together, making history. Ladies and gentlemen, at W Motors, we are not just creating an exceptional hypercar, but an advanced automobile, an icon in this industry, built with passion, dreams, and ambition, going down in history as the first Arabian hypercar to be remembered for many years to come. As Eleanor Roosevelt once said, the future belongs to those who believe in the beauty of their dreams. Well, W Motors started with a simple dream, one smile, a dream that was shared with many. The vision brought to life with desire, the passion without limits shared with those who believed that nothing was impossible. Creating an icon in the industry with a perfect balance between engineering, technology, and design. The Lykan is simply a modern machine with a touch of humanity. Ladies and gentlemen, we have decided not to keep this a secret anymore. We promised to show you the final ready-driven model by September of this year, 2013. What you will see today is the final exterior model of the final Lykan in production at this moment. Engineering studies have been done. Mechanical studies have been done. We are ready for deliveries by September of this year, 2013. Ladies and gentlemen, members of the press, colleagues of the industry, it is with the greatest pleasure, pride, and honor that I announce to you and to the world the official launch, unveiling, and world premiere of the W Motors Lykan 2013. Ladies and gentlemen, the Lykan is born today.